Thanks for watching today. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut a circle out on a miter saw. You can take any circle, measure the diameter, and there's a math formula I'm going to teach you, and it gives you all the cuts you need to cut out a circle. Let's get started. I got a circle marked out on this board. The diameter of the circle is 12 inches. Let me show you how to figure out your cuts. Alright, so 12-inch diameter of a circle. So you take 12 and you multiply it by pi, 3.141, and that gives you 37.69 inches. So if you took that circle and stretched it out long ways, it would be 37.69 inches. Then you take 37.69 inches and you divide it. This is where I have 2.9 is where you have to play with numbers and figure out what's going to get you as close to a whole number as possible. So it may take a couple minutes on a calculator, but I came out with 2.9 inches, which is going to equal 12.99, which I rounded to 13. And that 13 is how many pieces I'm going to need to cut to make the circle. Then there's 360 degrees in a circle, and you divide it by the 13 pieces, and that's going to give me a 27.69 degree angle, or that's telling me where I need to set my miter saw to 27.69. So each piece of wood is going to have to be mitered, so you got to take 27.69 divided by 2, and that's going to give you 13.845. You're going to set that on your miter saw, and that's going to be your cuts. So I'm going to need 13 pieces at 2.9 inches from small point to small point, with a 13.8 cut on each side. That's where the miter saw is going to be set. And 2.9 is roughly 2 7/8 inches. Let's get started. So I got 3 test pieces cut, and it looks good so far, following right around the edge of the circle. Now let me go to the saw and show you how I got everything set up to make these cuts. Alright, if you look on the miter saw, here is 15, and I'm as close to 13.8 as I could get. That's where I'm set up. Now since I'm not using a molding or anything that has a face, I can cut this board on either side. So to speed up my work, I put a stop block right here, and I'm just cutting, flipping it over, making the other cut, so I don't have to keep moving my saw from this side to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out all the pieces I need, and then we're going to see how the circle fits up. And here's all the pieces put together for the circle. 12-inch diameter. Everything fit up real good. I'm going to go over another formula with you and give you an example and kind of show you what I was talking about in the beginning, when you have to play with the numbers a little bit to figure out just how long these pieces are going to be. Now the smaller you make these pieces, the more round your circle will be. Alright, here's another look at the problem we just did. It's 12-inch diameter. So I did 12 times 3.14, which is pi. That gave me 37.69. 37.69 divided by 2.9. 2.9 is the only value you've got to come up with yourself in this whole problem, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, let's finish working through the problem. That equals 12.99, which is, I rounded up to 13 because it's so close to it. So then 360 degrees are in a circle. You divide it by the 13 pieces, and it gives you a 27.69 degree cut. Well, you got to half that because each piece of your wood on that angle has got to match. So 27.69 divided by 2 gives me 13.8 on my miter saw. And you see me set that. So 2.9 inches right here from the short point to short point. So 13 pieces. 2.9 is roughly 2 7/8. So 2 7/8 each, and the miter saw set at 13.8. Now let me show you how I came up with 2.9. Alright, so this is how you figure out the length of your piece, and it's going to tell you how many pieces you're going to need. So at first I said I wanted a 3-inch piece. That gave me 12.56. I'm looking to get a whole, as close to a whole number here as possible. So, and I want a 3-inch piece. That was my goal. So the next problem was 37.69. I divided it by 2.98. I started going down. That gave me 12.64. So I'm getting closer to 13. So I did 37.69 divided by 2.95. That got me 12.77. So I'm getting closer to 13 still. So then I took it and divided it by 2.92. That got me 12.9. I divided it by 2.91 and it got me 12.95, which is really close to 13. So then I divided it by 2.9 and it gave me 12.99, which is essentially 13. So I knew I needed 13 pieces at 2.9 inches, which is 2 7/8. And this is how you figure out the unknown variable in the formula. This is another sample problem I did for a 2-foot diameter, 24 inches. Just a sample for y'all to look at. Thanks for watching today. I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope everybody learned how to cut out a circle. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Give the video a thumbs up, share it, get it out on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.